All right, to end our session today, we have some daily practice on student book page 238. Remember, this is just for when you have extra time, if you did all of that lesson in under 30 minutes, or you want to go back at a later date or today to challenge yourself for some additional work. Okay, so today's practice is again review. We're working with factors and multiples. It's called factors and multiples moves. Okay, remember, factors are pairs of numbers that you multiply together to get your starting number. So for example, a factor of 12 is 3 and 4 because 3 times 4 is 12. And then you have multiples. Multiples are products that you get when you multiply your starting number by another. So for example, if I want to find the multiples of 12, I multiply 12 times something. So for example, multiples of 12 are 12, because that's 12 times 1, 24, 12 times 2, 36, 12 times 3. Okay, so keep those things in mind. Remember, you can also Google what a factor or a multiple is, and you will find those answers as well. All right, so what you're going to do today is you're going to look at your factors and multiples game board. And then you have some scenarios. Jasmine and Brianna are playing factors and multiples. Jasmine chooses 27 for her first target number and circled it. Brianna gets to circle all the factors of 27. What numbers does Brianna get to circle? Okay, so what are the factors of 27 on this board? What I might do is I might make a factor rainbow to help you. 2. Danny and Justin are also playing factors and multiples. Danny's first target number is 24. So you can circle 24 if you want. What numbers does Justin get to circle? So what factors are 24 that Justin can circle? Now, if Brianna already used them, you may or may not get to circle them. But even if they're used by Brianna, use a different color for Justin and circle all the numbers of all the factors of 24. Bethany, number 3. Bethany circled 1, 2, 4, and 8. What target number did Bethany choose? So these are the factors of a number. What is the number that these are the factors for? Oops. 4. After Oscar chose his target number, his partner circled 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. What was Oscar's target number? Okay. Again, this is like the factor rainbow. What can you multiply these numbers by to get your original number? Okay. 5. Aaron is trying to decide if he wants to choose 14 or 18 as his first target number. Which number would give him a higher score than his partner? Meaning, which number has more factors? Does 14 or 18 have more factors? Do a factor rainbow. And then list the prime numbers. So list all the prime numbers that appear on this game board. If you don't know what a prime number is, Google it and then find all the prime numbers and list them down below. Remember, this is what you do when you are all done. You have extra work or you want to challenge yourself. Good luck.